product says they would give you results in 2 days, run. Hey loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Naira, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about skincare products that are affordable, budget friendly and student budget friendly for an even toned skin. If that's what you're interested in, do keep watching. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, thank you for clicking in. On my channel we talk about self-care, beauty, lifestyle and everything in between. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Do remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notification so you're the first to know when I upload a new video. This video is highly requested, highly recommended. A lot of people ask me, what do I use for the skin? What have I used? Moisturizers, lotions, blah blah blah. And today I'm going to be talking about body moisturizers that are very good for even toned skin. So you can see I'm doing this video intentionally without makeup or anything on my skin, aside from my skincare morning routine. And you can see that my skin is clean, my skin is glowing, I have an even toned skin. Even my hands, I can show you my hands and my elbows. Even toned skin, I have no dark knuckles, I have no dark patches on my skin. And I'm going to be giving you tips. But first thing is, note that I have used all of these products at some point in my life and they are all amazing products. There is no one that has a terrible side effect, and if there is anyone that does, I will definitely let you know. All of these products I have used, I can highly recommend. And in doing skincare, I always say this. Tip 1 is skincare doesn't work overnight. Ensure to stay consistent for about 90 days with a particular routine to see how well it works. If you use a skincare routine for 2 days and you don't see any result, you can't see result overnight. If a product says they would give you results in 2 days, run, because those products are most likely not very good for your skin. But in choosing body moisturizers, there are a few things that you need to note. One is, when choosing a body moisturizer, the consistency of the moisturizer is really important. A moisturizer that is thick would rest on your skin and not penetrate into your skin fast enough. A moisturizer that is lightweight, on the other hand, would penetrate into your skin faster and moisturize your skin faster. So when buying a moisturizer, go for moisturizers that are lightweight as compared to moisturizers that are heavyweight or that are thick. Next is, when choosing a moisturizer, make sure to buy the one that is specific for your skin type. So there are different types of skin types. There is a normal skin, normal to combination, there is combination skin, oily skin, and there's dry skin. So for me, I have normal to combination skin. So I always go for products that are within that range. And these things are always written on the bottle. Please do not be a part of the people that somebody will recommend a product, you just go and buy it. You won't read the bottle of the product to see if it is suitable for your skin type. So make sure that you're buying a moisturizer that is suitable for your skin type, specifically for your skin type. Now, let me jump right into my recommendations. The top of my list, although this is in no particular order, but I would always put this brand or this product at the top of my list because I used to work for Nivea as a brand promoter and a brand ambassador like years ago when we used to do promos in stores and all of those things, and we were taught about these products and I fell in love with Nivea. So number 1 is the Nivea Even and Radiant Body Lotion. This body lotion is very moisturizing, it evens out your skin tone. I will give a picture here so you know the particular one I'm talking about. This one is for even skin types. It evens out your skin. It is very, very moisturizing, and it is very good for caramel to light skin toned people. If you are dark skinned, they have this one which is for dark skins, and it is very, very moisturizing as well. And this Nivea goes for about 3,500 naira here in Lagos, Nigeria, for the 250 ml bottle. And 3.5 is very budget friendly, very affordable, and very student budget friendly. Next is the E45 moisturizing lotion. I used E45 moisturizing lotion for about 2 years, and it was like my holy grail at that time, solely because it evened out my skin really nicely and it was very moisturizing. I stopped using E45 because my other wrong the last time, and that just made me, I just stopped and I started looking for something new to use. So when buying E45, like I said, always buy skincare lotions or moisturizers or products in general that are suitable for your skin type. That's what happened to me when I bought my E45. The last one came and it was the one for dry skin. It was this one that has a red line, right? But I usually buy the one for normal skin, the one with the blue line. So that's the difference. When buying E45, the one with the blue line is for normal skin, while the one with the red line is for dry skin. So when buying, you have to be very cautious and read it carefully. I accidentally bought the one for dry skin and it wasn't working for me. And when I used to buy E45 back then, I used to buy 12 bottles at a go because I buy them from the UK. But when I bought this last shipment, I was so upset. I gave it all out and I stopped buying E45 in a go. Next okay, so for pricing, E45 retails for 4,000 naira for the 250 ml bottle, which is very, very fair and very affordable. Next is the Dove moisturizing lotion. I'm going to leave the particular Dove here. This Dove refreshing, the pink one that has this pink thing on it. This particular Dove is very good for even skin. It moisturizes your skin amazingly. Like this product is, we all know that Dove is the OG. Like Dove, it looks out for us all. Dove looks out for all skin types, right? So this particular Dove moisturizing lotion is very amazing and it is very affordable. The last time I checked, it retailed for 2,500 naira for the, I think it's 400 ml bottle. Yes, I am not certain, but it should be the 400 ml bottle that retailed for around 2,500 to 3,000 naira. And it is very good for your skin. Like I said, very, very affordable as well. Next on my list is Vaseline Even Tone Healthy Lotion. If you want to glow, if your mission in life is to glow, it's for your skin to glow, go for this Vaseline Even Tone Healthy Lotion. This is very good, very moisturizing, and very affordable. It costs about 3,000 to 3,500 for the 400 ml bottle, and the bottle is even big, so it's going to last you a longer time. Except if you rub cream, if you rub your lotions 3 times a day, that's when you'll finish before time. But if you use your lotions normal time, normal consistency, then this Vaseline Even Healthy Even Tone, this particular orange one, is going to last you way longer than normal. And please, when buying skincare products, especially moisturizers, most importantly, make sure that you are buying original and authentic moisturizer, right? So please make sure you're buying original products. Make sure you're shopping from stores that are authentic or stores that sell original products. I'm going to be leaving links to some beauty stores where I buy my products from down in the description box, so do remember to check them out. This video is not sponsored. I just buy original stuffs from them, original products from them, and I trust them, so you can shop from their stores as well. Next on my list is Dr. Teal's Vitamin C Body Lotion. This Dr. Teal's body lotion is a very viral body lotion. We all know it, and it works really well. It worked really well for me. I combined it with the body wash, the vitamin C and Epsom salt body wash, and I also combined it with the vitamin C body scrub as well, and that combination was perfect. It was beautiful. My skin glowed. That's just the only thing I can tell you. I'm still using the body scrub now, but I stopped using the body wash and the lotion, and this Dr. Teal's is very, very good for an even toned skin. When buying Dr. Teal's, there are a few things to know. So I saw this on a skincare a skincare guru's page, Skin by Michael. I will leave his link here. And in his video, he showed how to identify original and fake Dr. Teals. So when buying Dr. Teals, the original one is very lightweight. And remember that I said that your skincare, your moisturizers should be lightweight and not heavy. So the original ones are lightweight, while the counterfeit or the fake ones are really heavyweight. And also at the back of the original ones, you would see the cup sign that says you have to use this for 12 months, but in the fake one, it is not there. I remember to buy original and don't buy fake. Last and most important is make sure you always have sunscreen on. We can't be doing skincare in 2023 and some people don't have sunscreen on. How do you want to achieve an even toned skin if you have sunburns? So I use this sunscreen. I need you to focus baby, focus. So I use this sunscreen. It is very affordable. Okay, yes, I use this sunscreen. It is very affordable. I think I bought it for 3,000 or 3,000 naira. Is it even up to? Yes, for about 2,000 to 3,000 naira. It is very affordable. It is SPF 50, which is very good for Lagos and Nigerian sun. So remember to always apply sunscreen at the end of your routines, on your face and on your neck. Don't forget to apply sunscreen on your neck. It is very, very important. Remember, skincare starts from within. So if you want to achieve a glowing, moisturized skin, make sure you watch what you eat, what you put in your mouth. I have a video where I talked about how to achieve a glowing, moisturized skin. I'm going to leave a link here. And do remember to watch. Thank you very much for watching. I'm sure you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making for you. Do remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. There will be another series or another episode where I'm going to talk about facial skincare products that are really affordable and are really good, student-friendly and budget-friendly. So if you want to watch that, make sure you turn on post notification so you will be notified when I post my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.